Hello and welcome to my channel. This is all new Dacia Duster and you're watching 5 minutes review. Let's go around. Let's take a look under the bonnet. Okay guys, let's go inside the car. As you can see, this is completely brand new car, just coming straight away from factory with lots of plastic around, some foil to protect many parts of the car. So let's start from the door. Upper part is made of hard plastic. Here is nice and soft, and hard plastic on the bottom. As usual, you got some pocket with no cup holder, but you can manage some bottle or any items, other items. Lots of space here. I like this kind of plastic, which looks like metal. Oh, there's something special. Seat heating. It's a good car for someone who wants to drive SUV 4x4 even, and doesn't want to pay lots of money. The car actually will give you everything what you need, but you can find some small things when you will say, oh, they try to save the money, like I said, the plastic upper part of the door, plastic, hard plastic everywhere around myself, but it's alright. You've got touch screen, which I will show you in the next few minutes. Some small shelf, I don't know for what, but it's with some rubber on the top. Storage compartment. This is not practical, but there is lots of room down there. It's very deep. Anyway, for me, that part should be here, and air vents, which looks quite nice and fancy, should be down there. But anyway, so Duster. Physical button or knobs for your air condition. You've got some storage, 12-volt socket, USB charger, one cup holder, which will take my bottle, but while driving the bottle, that will be happen. 6 gear gearbox. It's not cup holder, it's something like a shot holder for your vodka or whatever. Another 2 cup holders. No, it's what it is. We have very soft and comfortable armrest, which you can move back and forward. You can also open it, and you can find very small but very deep storage under that. Sun visor, and yeah, so that's the first point. You see, that sun visor actually for me seems like very cheap, but nobody cares about the sun visor. No lights here, it's only mirror. So steering wheel, very simple, but so you can operate everything what you need while driving. Even on that configuration, you've got a cruise control. So the bottom, as you can see, it looks like made from very cheap plastic. Bottom, sun visor, and the plastic in the interior, that's the most cheaper part of the car. But anyway, the seats are quite comfortable, and yeah, I like it. You have plenty of room. Look at that, lots of room. The middle tunnel is very low, it's not too high, so that means I can drive in a comfortable position. Also, this side I had over 5 fingers over my head, and my seat is now on the lower position. Okay, start the car. Yeah, that sounds very nice, and to be honest with you, the speakers make a job, because this car sounds great. sitting behind myself. This is not my space, not my room for myself. I'm too tall actually, and you have quite comfortable headrest, but should be a little bit higher for myself. I've got more than four fingers, and unfortunately I don't have any space for my leg. I've got lots of space for my feet. The doors are, yeah, shutting very quiet. Hard on the top, hard on the bottom. And do we have any space? Yeah, we've got some wee pocket in the door. But there you go, 2 USB port. The seats are made of nice material, and I will say they're quite comfortable. I feel very good on the seats, but this car looks from the outside like a much bigger than inside. Okay, so and that's all from the interior. Let's go and take a look at the boot. Oh, okay, so how many liters you can see right now on the screen, and I will show you the dimension. There is some missing some part, and I believe it's that one. Okay, something like that. What you got? You got hooks, 2 hooks. Got quite nice and flat floor, lots of room, one light. You got 1 pocket, no pocket on this side. Maybe you have something like double floor or not. No, you don't. You don't have double floor, so it's only 1 level without spare wheel, or maybe the spare wheel is underneath. I'm not sure. Up to 95 centimeters long. Maximum height is 116 centimeters, and the minimum is 100 centimeters. Also the height up to the shelf is around 52 centimeters, so it's quite deep, I will say. Right. Okay guys, and that's all about Dacia Duster. Please let me know in the comment below what you think about the car, what you think about my video, and please subscribe to my channel. Take care of yourself and your 4 wheels, and see you next time.